we have more breaking updates now coming in. A technical glitch temporarily halted the Gulmarg gondola service on Monday, triggering swift rescue operations to safely evacuate the stranded tourists. Authorities have said that passengers have been rescued without injury. These are the visuals that are coming in from the spot. There was a technical glitch that led to tourists being stranded for some time, but all of the tourists have been evacuated, and they say that all the passengers who were part of this ride have been rescued without any injury. The cabin also remains intact, and there is no reason for any worry. The situation is fully under control, authorities have said. In fact, in more updates coming in, the Jammu and Kashmir DGP has left for Gulmarg following the incident. Even as senior officials remain at the site monitoring the situation, the rescue operations are continuing. There are some stranded tourists who are currently being safely evacuated. My colleague Sahil Sohail is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Sahil, it definitely would have come as quite a scare for the tourists. What is the situation there currently?
Well, as of now, the rescue operation in phase second is underway. There was this technical glitch in Gulmarg gondola cable car this afternoon, and following that, the rescue operation basically was initiated by the cable car staff and the police, which remains deployed around the cable car gondola in Gulmarg. And now senior officials, including SSP Baramulla and now Jammu and Kashmir DGP Nilin Prabhakar, also left Srinagar towards Gulmarg to be on the spot and in fact supervise this rescue operation. There was this sort of initially panic, but then the authorities in fact initiated those safety protocols and the rescue operation. All those tourists who were stranded inside these cabin, while in fact were brought out one by one. And as of now, we are picking up from the sources that the rescue operation is underway in phase second. That's from in fact Anduri to onwards, and it will take some time. And in fact, all of them are safe. All tourists who are in fact being removed from these cabins are being shifted to Gulmarg and in fact evacuated safely. Jammu and Kashmir LG Manoj Sinha is also supervising this situation. He has directed DGP and all senior officials to be on the spot and in fact supervise the rescue operation. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah as of now has said that there is no reason to panic, as all safety protocols are in fact in place and the rescue operation has been conducted while it is underway in phase second, and all these tourists who are stranded inside these gondola car cabins have been in fact removed very safely.
Okay, all right. Do stay with us. We have an official update coming in as well of how the train teams are currently at the spot, and swift and coordinated rescue efforts are currently underway. That's the update coming in. There are 80 passengers, we've told, from 16 of the 65 stranded cabins who have been rescued so far. Operations are continuing for those who are still awaiting evacuation. So, Sahil, are the rescue operations still going on? How many tourists were stranded, and what are the other measures that have been taken by the authorities there? Like, have the other cable car services been suspended completely for the moment? Any word on what went wrong?
Well, as of now, there is no official word. Basically, what went on wrong on this cable car, in fact, project in Gulmarg. There's a single cable car project that's operating there in Gulmarg, and there are multiple cabins basically that take around 5 to 6 passengers in it, and it was operational. There's huge rush of tourists in Gulmarg, and everybody who basically visits Gulmarg takes a ride in this gondola car cable, and in fact goes to Upper Butt Mountain Peak, which still basically witnesses Suno. So as of now, apart from Jammu and Kashmir Police, and the fresh update we are getting is that Indian Army has also joined this rescue operation, and they're also basically helping authorities to evacuate these stranded tourists from cabins and in fact helping them to ship these tourists to the base. And as of now, the rescue operation is underway. Senior Army, police and other in fact officials are on ground. Safety protocols are already in place. Whenever there is some sort of glitch in this cable car project, there the safety protocol mechanism is activated, and as a part of this, the first priority is to basically evacuate all these tourists from these cabins, bring them down and take them to the base, and after that there will be in fact the inquiry or investigation into what basically went wrong in this particular cable car, because for longer period of time we had not seen such a huge glitch or technical fault in the cable car corporation. Our cable car project in Gulmarg is running from years now, and in fact people really like to take ride in this particular cable car in Gulmarg. But as of now, what the priority for the authorities in Gulmarg is to ensure that all of the tourists who are stranded in the cabins are removed safely and in fact brought down to the base.
Okay, all right. We're glad all passengers, all tourists are absolutely safe. And of course, the officials will also be looking to determine the exact reason for this technical slag. Thank you for joining us with all those details. A quick break now. We'll be right back.